Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can get the 4:3 resolution in Apex Legends. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the main menu of Apex Legends. In here, click on the game menu, which is going to be the gear icon at the top corner of your screen. Click setting, and then you want to navigate through video. Now there's going to be multiple setting, and if you browse through the aspect ratio, there's the native one, which is going to be 16:9. We have the 16:10, and finally 4:3 and 5:4. So if you go ahead and click on the apply, it will be applied at 4:3, and you could select other presets right here if you want to. And that's how easy it is to basically apply the 4:3 resolution in Apex Legends. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.